how to remove sound or song from a video in Capcut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to easily remove sound or a song from a video in Capcut. First things first, open up your Capcut app and then tap on new project and choose the video that you want to edit. So once you've done that, to mute the sound, you just have to tap on mute clip audio, which is on the left hand side. Just tap on it and you will see the cross sign, and that's it. This will mute the sound for your video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.